figure the more rounds I put through it, the better it should get.
I'll fire somebody. You're alright. Just telling him to get back here.
Back up this way. Don't worry about picking them up. Yeah, I can barely see that frickin' target laying down like that. But I can see it. You missed lower left a little bit. I mean lower right, not lower left. Oh, just over it. There it went. Ding.
Hits.
Hang on, don't fire.
Go ahead.
You gotta walk in front. Alright. There we go. It's about ready to fall off the bat.
I can't even see it.
It's still in between the V of the tree. All you gotta do is he hit just in front of it. He hit just in front of it with that.
I can't barely see it. Smack. Going through it.
Yeah.
Rock is below it.
Yeah, below it into the right corner. I'll bring my binoculars.
I heard it. See, I hear it go through it.
Yeah, he heard it that time, he says.
You didn't hear all the times? Take one of the earplugs out.
It's a pretty loud gun.
You don't hear it after a while. Look at this kid.
Sorry.
Let's see here.
Put it on 400. And if you have to, you can always give it a touch. I'll see it from here, I think.
Let's see.
No help.
Shit. Damn it.
Oh, you did.
Not what I did. That's what I'm going to do, though. Put your frickin' hand right there. We do a little cosmetic surgery here.
I can do that, but I forgot. Sharpen all his.
Huh?
Sharpen all yours.
I don't know what happened to it. I already gave it to him. It's already in there.
Oh, okay. Sweet. Yes, sweet.
To the left.
Yeah. Just to the left and a little bit high.
Oh, just to the left.
Was it?
Yeah, it just straight across from it.
Oh, okay.
There's a little black dot you can see.
Yeah.
That's the whole center of our target that's laying down.
Oh, okay.
Can't see that far?
No. You didn't say I
Right
only did
there,
415 last time?
Just way high.
Yeah.
Just high.
Damn. That one went way too low because it went right through the frickin' tree. Heard that one.
Pretty active little guns, buddy. Shooting rock. Don't want to shoot rock.
She's just, yes, go to the front of the truck. Heard it hit. Hit that time too,
No,
but it
rock.
didn't.
Anybody else want to shoot on camera? Because right about where you're standing, anywhere there, one step up, it's recording. Yep, you're all good. So anywhere right there. Training day boy can get up there and start up.
Mm-hmm.
You got any more 9?
Nope, not with me.
Well, that's the last of the 9.
That's alright.
I was just like,
There's 2 more magazines.
there's so many guns here. Almost don't know what to do.
Take your pick and shoot.
The 45's not working right.
45's doing better now. Those are the loose magazines. Already in, just...
There's no bullets in there.
Oh.
There's no mag in there.
Yeah, because I reloaded it and put it in. I didn't put it in. I didn't reload this one, that's right. A little bit farther forward. Get up right in between those 2 rocks. Well, you hit the corner of it anyway.
No, you do. I don't hold the gun more like wrap around the gut. That's like old style FBI pussies. And like that. There you go. That's
Well, you're tearing the wood apart, that's for sure. Don't shoot this one.
done.
When that one's finished, we don't shoot anymore of the 45.
Reload?
Well, you don't want to use a mag, you're just going to keep some to take home.
I want to keep some to take home.
Oh, yeah, fuck yeah.
You can reload one more, and then when those are done, we don't. Put 8. We got a lot of freaking brass to pick up. Are you gonna want to shoot this or what?
Yeah.
Or are you just freaking standing there to look good?
Figure that's what I'm good at.
In a bitch. Here we go again.
Thanks, Lauren.
You're welcome, sir.
Appreciate it.
Gotta do my
I'll
best.
leave the rest of these.
I have to do my part.
Fair enough. Okay. So it's the little white dot up there underneath that log, right?
Oh, don't even try it. Just try shooting your target
Just shoot
right
the
there.
bucket or the target right there.
Okay.
Stand up there and stand up there. Stand up with it. This for people that know what the fuck they're doing.
Pretend like I know what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Okay, whatever I said.
Put it into your shoulder. Into it. There you go. Let me back up a little bit because I don't want another freaking hot piece of brass going to my shirt again. There you go. Lean forward just a little bit. There you go.
Thanks. Now that I have your permission.
Took care of the problem for you.
All right, I appreciate it. Oh man.
I told you, relax, man. Don't frickin' be so tense. You do have to keep a grip on it, though.
Do I?
Don't do that.
Hang on to it like it's your dick, dude. Squeeze, not real hard, but just gentle enough to where it feels good.
I wasn't holding right.
Huh?
I wasn't holding it right.
No, you weren't.
I know. Now,
But you'll learn.
eventually, if I don't rip my shoulder off first. Always gotta do a step up above me, huh? That's not the right mag. Where's the mag I had?
Here's one. Here's the other one. Oh yeah, I like it.
It's the right one, yes?
Yep, 10 in each one. I gotta figure out what the hell's going on with those magazines, why they're so damn picky on the 20.
I'll grease them up like doing for you.
Because they won't take the 20. They don't frickin' unload when they put 20 in there. They stick.
Hell, I have a problem with freaking 16. I don't know what I'm gonna do with 20. Hi, hot brass. I'm just gonna get out of the brass shower. Is that alright?
Much better on that 9mm.
Oh, now you can see the plate up there good now. That sun's off of it. Now look at it.
Yep.
See that dot? You can't miss that dot. It's right. It's fucking always there.
I see it now. That's square plate right there, right?
Yep.
I see it now.
Okay, no more on the 9mm.
You know what?
You're telling me to move up,
Try
ain't you?
one freestanding.
Do what?
You're telling me to move up, ain't you? Nice. I saw and heard that one.
Much
Stand in
better.
there, buddy. 2 shots are sweet. I ain't gonna complain.
Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to go and get more.
Bang. That's about how it goes, right?
Just about.
You got a speed loader for this, right?
Yeah.
You just twist to the left or to the right? To the right.
Cheers.